Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Evolution S557 Swiss Army knife. And this is one of the Swiss Army knives where them and Wenger, W-E-N-G-E-R, the other Swiss Army knife company, the one that they kind of absorbed, where they teamed up on a knife. And I kind of have always been lukewarm toward the Wenger knives. I've been very much a hardcore Victorinox person myself, but I figured it would be worthwhile to take a look at a couple of their knives. And let's see. So this one has the traditional tweezers, like you find on most Swiss Army knives, and the toothpick. If I can get it out, the toothpick. No pen, like writing pen. No pen, like stick pen that's usually stashed around here on a cyber tool. So that's a... I very much have found I use the pen a lot, and I miss that. So let's see. We got a small little nail file and the large blade. And with this one, this is one of the features that the Wengers had that I don't think any of the Victorinox, any of the normal size Victorinox, the 91mm Victorinox has ever had. Maybe there was one. I don't think there ever was one. But this one has a lock blade. And as you can see, the lock is right here. The blade's locked. You depress this and you can close it. I'm kind of torn about the lock blade. It seemed like it would be useful, but I don't know if it's worth... I'm kind of a traditionalist when it comes to that kind of thing. And this one, if it's like pretty much every Swiss Army knife out of the box ever... Oops, I missed. If it's like every Swiss Army knife out of the box ever, it's sharp. And this one seems to be pretty sharp. So, you got a lock blade and some pliers. Okay. These actually seem a little more usable. Oh, you can get a wider plier out of this. They seem a little more usable than the Victorinox pliers. Of course, in all fairness, I never really thought of the Victorinox knife pliers as pliers. I always kind of thought of them as just super strong tweezers. But I don't know how I feel about this. This seems like it'd be good, but it's awful loose. Alright. And again, you have this mechanism here. Instead of, if I remember correctly, the Victorinox knife uses a spring. Yeah. The Victorinox knife uses a spring. A little spring right here. And this is built into the knife. So I've broken a couple of these springs here. I've had them just wear out or snap or whatever. So alright. Let's see what else we got. I'm not crazy about that. I think that if you can't put it down, as you can see, you can't put it down with this adjusted out. I think that's gonna become irritating. So we got Phillips head screwdriver and a thingy. What is this thingy? What is this thingy? Oh, it's a... a thingy. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like maybe a wrench kind of thing. So you can get different size bolts in there. Kind of looks like a weird little fish monster. Anyway, so that's kind of interesting. Alright, so we got that and that. And next would be the scissors. If I can get them out. Apparently, I can't. Eh. There we go. Alright, scissors. I do like this about their scissors, where they have the built-in little metal arm there. And let's see what else we got. Can opener. Yep. The traditional Victorinox can opener. You know, when I was in school, in college, I had my can opener break at one point, and I went for years without having a can opener because I just pop out my Swiss Army knife and open any cans I need. It actually works really, really well, the can opener, if you sort of get in the habit of using it. This is the ubiquitous bottle opener, as you get on every kind of tool on Earth. And a screwdriver. And the awl, I believe. Yep, the awl. Oh, I cut myself so bad with the awl on a Swiss Army knife at one point. It was surprising how nice a chunk it took out of my hand. Anyway, this is kind of an interesting knife. The lock blade is... I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the lock blade. But if you're looking for a lock blade, it doesn't look like a bad little knife. It has some nifty features, and some features I'm not super crazy about. But, you know, as most knives. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Victorinox Winger team-ups. Is there one of these knives that's, like, amazing, way better than the other ones? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.